In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning images using Gemini AI, specifically focusing on crafting a professional-looking fading man effect. This technique will elevate your visual content by infusing a sense of mystery and intrigue, all while being refreshingly simple to execute. So, grab your device and let's dive into the world of Gemini AI, shall we? First, we'll need to open your preferred web browser and head on over to Google. Simply type Google Gemini in the search bar and hit enter. This search will lead you to the official Google Gemini website where all the magic happens. Click on the link to enter the website. Once on the Gemini platform, you'll be greeted with a vibrant and user-friendly interface. Here, you'll want to locate and click on the Create Image option. You should see it pinned conveniently on the main page. This is your gateway to creating those mesmerizing visuals. Next, you need an image to work with. To proceed, click on the plus sign icon, which allows you to upload an image from your device. Make sure you choose an image that complements the fading man effect. A cityscape or a street scene works beautifully for this purpose. Simply navigate to your chosen image and upload it to the platform. Now, onto the creative part. You need to craft a compelling prompt that Gemini AI can interpret and bring to life. For this tutorial, we'll use this prompt: a somber cinematic portrait of a lone man in a rainy blue-gray city street, his body partially disintegrating into dark smoke and ink-like particles as a realistic, high-detail, soft-focus atmosphere conveys loss and transformation. This description isn't just a series of words. It sets the tone and sculpts the visuals, ensuring the AI understands your artistic vision. Your prompt can be adjusted as you see fit, but it should evoke a mood and visual style that echoes in the image. Finally, when your prompt is ready and you're satisfied with your setup, it's time to bring your creation to life. Look for the Submit button and click it. This action will trigger Gemini's powerful algorithms to process your input and render an image that embodies your description. Give it a moment, and voila! The AI will generate an image that reflects the mood and detail you've envisioned, transporting viewers to your imaginative realm. And there you have it. With just a few concise steps, you've mastered the art of the fading man effect using Gemini AI. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different prompts and images to create your own unique visual masterpieces. Thanks for following along, and happy creating!